Do you know this diner? Zach's?
No. Why?
Look, Valeska's uncle owns it. He might know where Jerome would go after escaping.
This still sounds like a cop's job to me.
I could have killed Jerome after he kidnapped me, and I didn't. Any harm he does now, I share a part of it. In a way, I'm responsible for his life now. I can't just wait to see what the cops will do. I have to get him back to Arkham. What?
Your ego, Bruce. It's huge.
What?
Not everything is your fault or your responsibility. Get over yourself. Make you a little easier to be around.
Thanks for the advice.
You sure you don't need my help anymore? We're even?
You don't owe me anything, Salena. You never did.